Hello and welcome to this video. In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use virtual cards in Revolut. Now Revolut again is like a normal bank, but because it's a virtual bank and more of an online bank, you don't actually get a physical card just yet. If you don't want a physical card, you can just use a regular virtual card. If you go to the hub section and you go into the essential, which is cards, you're going to get your own virtual card. Now, I am not going to press on this virtual card because it does show us some sensitive information that we are not ready to show to you guys. But on this card, it's going to tell you all about it. It's going to tell you your sort code, your account number, and your CVV. Now, what you can do with this card is you can access it via Google Pay, Android Pay, and Samsung Pay. Also, Apple Pay as well. These will allow you to basically use your card by using your phone. So if you've got a phone, all you need to do is connect it to whatever device you have. So if you've got an Android like me, you'll connect it to Google Pay. Once the card has been connected to the Google Pay, you'll be able to just use it with a tap onto the card reader, and that's it. You can use the virtual card. If you do want a physical card, you'll have to let Revolut know to order you a card and send it to you to your post to your main primary address. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.